3 days, one outpost, one survivor. What really happened on Outpost Helios? Were the drones just machines, or something far more sinister? And who, or what, is pulling the strings behind this massacre? The answer isn't just hidden in the shadows of Eridan. It's hidden in plain sight. Every second counts, and every choice could mean survival, or total annihilation. Lieutenant Steve Leaden crouched behind a wall of twisted metal, the amber sky of Eridan glowing ominously. Outpost Helios was gone, reduced to rubble by drones that weren't supposed to fight like this. His unit was wiped out, only he remained. His communicator crackled. "Command, do you copy?" Static. The drones had destroyed the relay during the assault. Steve's rifle read 22%. Not enough to fight if they returned. Something moved. Signatures approaching from the east. Not drones, not patterns he recognized. He readied his weapon, ignoring the sharp pain in his side from an earlier energy blast. A silver ship descended from the amber sky, gliding to a stop beyond the outpost perimeter. Cellar warriors, technically allies, though Steve had learned not to trust that word, emerged. 6 figures, their blue skin gleaming under their armor, moved with precision. The leader, Commander Kiora, stood in the center. Her piercing blue eyes scanned the ruins with cold authority. Steve whispered, "The cavalry. 3 days too late." "Identify yourself, human," she called. "Lieutenant Steve Leaden, Terran Defense Force, last survivor of Helios." Kiora's eyes narrowed. "Your response time could use improvement. We received a distress signal 3 cycles ago." Steve's jaw tightened. "With respect, Commander, we survived 3 days without your help." Kiora's soldiers secured the perimeter. "The drones, they were ours, until something reprogrammed them," Steve explained. Her blue eyes flickered with recognition. "Your species isn't known for resilience." Steve smirked. "Humans endure, when necessary." A sharp whine cut the air. Metallic darts flew at Kiora, embedding in her armor. Proximity mines, modified from Steve's systems. "I'll save you," Steve said, ignoring her protests. With precision, Steve removed each dart, detonating the explosives safely away. Kiora's eyes betrayed confusion and a hint of respect. "Why?" she asked. "Because that's what humans do. We save lives, even arrogant alien lives." The distant roar of drones grew louder. "They're coming back," Steve said grimly. "And there are more than before." Kiora reluctantly followed him toward a maintenance bunker. Her soldiers were compromised by the adaptive drones. Steve pointed out the reinforced bunker as temporary cover. Inside, Steve accessed the defensive grid. "We need to find who's controlling them," he said. Kiora leaned over his shoulder. "Your technology. It's adequate," she said softly. "They traced an anomalous signal, neither Terran nor Ziller." "We lost a battle group investigating this pattern," Kiora admitted. Steve realized the drones weren't just rogue, they were controlled. "Looks like we're allies. For now," he said. Kiora's lips curved faintly. "Temporary allies, Lieutenant. Don't get comfortable." A tremor shook the bunker. The maintenance tunnel led to something impossible. An ancient chamber, walls pulsing with blue energy, columns of living metal, and a glowing central orb. Tendrils of energy spread like a web throughout the chamber. Steve whispered, "This is controlling the drones." A new drone emerged, fluid, organic, alive. Kiora's eyes widened. "Not one of ours," she said. Steve identified conduits linking the orb to the outpost grid. "If we trigger a surge at the right moment, we can overload it." Kiora's hand brushed his as they studied energy patterns. Steve retrieved the saved proximity mines. "We can reprogram these to target the orb," he explained. Kiora drew the drones away, taunting them. Steve placed the modified darts around the orb, timing each to detonate simultaneously. A drone appeared in his path. It paused, evaluating him. The tension stretched. Kiora's voice rang out. "Hold the line." Steve activated the surge. The orb pulsed violently, columns of living metal sparking and collapsing. The drones fell inert, control severed. Kiora returned, bruised but alive. They stared at the remnants of the orb, the threat neutralized, for now. Steve whispered, "We survived. Together." Kiora's expression softened. "Temporary allies," she reminded him. But beneath the words, the shared understanding was clear. The war was far from over, and their bond had shifted something neither could ignore. The truth about Outpost Helios isn't what anyone imagined. The drones, the orb, the sabotage. Someone, or something, is watching, waiting. Humanity's survival? Not guaranteed. Who will strike next? And will we be ready to face it?